The head of the Federal Reserve suggested interest rates may have to fall as economic conditions worsen. Fed Chief Ben Bernanke said policymakers, quote, will need to consider whether current stance of policy remains appropriate. Some were already considering a rate cut at the September meeting, according to minutes released on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the Fed took an extraordinary step to get the commercial paper market back on its feet. The Fed, backed by the Treasury, will begin buying commercial paper, which is used for short-term corporate funding. That market has dried up in recent weeks as the credit crunch spreads. Investors, however, seem to doubt the Fed's actions, explains economic consultant Maria Fiorini Ramirez.
I think there's a lot of uncertainty about what other problems there are that haven't been quantified yet. It may take a long time before they're really known in the public eye.
And banks remain at the center of that uncertainty. Morgan Stanley refuted rumors saying the Mitsubishi stake will be complete by Monday. Bank of America announced plans to raise $10 billion to offset mounting loan losses, and Wachovia Bank is likely to be split up in the battle between Citigroup and Wells Fargo, according to sources. On Wall Street, public protest over the $700 billion bank bailout. Critics say Wall Street is robbing the American taxpayer. As for the markets, new 5-year lows across the board. The Dow dropped 508 points or 5%. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ down 5.7 and 5.8%. And in Europe, investors await details of a speculated bank bailout plan out of Britain. Meantime, the DAX finished lower, but the CAC 40 and the London FTSE closed higher. Conway Gittins, Reuters.